Hi everyone, in this video tutorial we're gonna build a full stack application. We're gonna use Vue3 and Laravel, Vue on the front end and Laravel on the back end. Let's take a look about the project we're gonna build throughout this tutorial. Here's what you're gonna build throughout this tutorial. It is a blog application, and if I open here the VS Code, you can see that our application is powered with Vue and TypeScript. You need to have basics of TypeScript in order to follow along this tutorial. Now let's move to the application and see what we're gonna build. Here among the register page here you can see here we cover our form handle validation. I'm using Vue Validator for handling validation. Let's register a user, let's say Jeff. And then we're going to pass here an email, jeff@gmail.com, and the password is going to be Jeff. Now we can create our user, and you can see here we are getting a beautiful message. Your account was created. I'm using Toast notification. We're going to know how to do it. But also let's move to the login page. Here, if I'm trying to log in with bad credentials, here we got a message here, warning message, password or email, it is invalid. Now, if I pass here our created user, Jeff, and the password was Jeff, you can see we are going to move to the dashboard here. You can see we got a small dashboard here and the logged in user. We got the name and the email. Now here we got another page, the post page. We're gonna use this page to create a post. Here I can say what is type annotation in TypeScript, and then here I'm going to say content here, and then I can create a post. You can see the loading message, post created. From the message came from our Laravel backend, and then we can see list of the posts. And here we're gonna handle search. You can see what is type annotation. We can search the post that we just created, but also we can upload the image for this post. And then here I'm going to choose the image type annotation. Let me pick this one. But also you can go check it out my TypeScript course if you doesn't have basics about TypeScript. I cover everything within it. Now here you can see that we just updated the post. We just add an image, but also we can delete this post. I'm using Sweet Alerts for this beautiful pop-up right here. It is gorgeous. You can see the post disappear, yeah, and the search here we can create. But also we're gonna cover more things throughout this tutorial. We're gonna learn best practice. Now let's talk about prerequisites. To follow along this tutorial, you're gonna need some basics of VueJs, especially Vue Composition API, some basics of TypeScript, know what is a type, how to make type annotation, know what is an interface and type alias are pretty important throughout this tutorial. You also need to grasp some basics concepts of Laravel, and also throughout this tutorial, as I said, we're gonna focus on best practice, and then in the next video we're gonna start coding the backend. We're gonna start building our API, and our API cover two models involved with two models, the user model and the post model. I see you there.